The MACD strategy is a popular technical analysis strategy that is based on the moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicator. The strategy is used to identify buying and selling opportunities in the foreign exchange market by analyzing the relationship between two moving averages in a histogram. One commonly used strategy is to buy when the MACD line, fast line, crosses above the signal line, slow line, and to sell when the MACD line crosses below the signal line. This indicates a change in the trend of the currency pair and can signal a potential buying or selling opportunity. Another strategy is to look for divergence between the MACD line and the price of the currency pair. When the MACD line is moving in the opposite direction of the price, it can indicate a potential reversal in the trend. This can be used as a signal to enter or exit a trade. It's important to note that the foreign exchange market is highly dynamic, and it's crucial to use other technical analysis tools and fundamental analysis to confirm the signal provided by the MACD strategy and to have a proper risk management plan.